We are here for Drone Safety Day. Drone Safety Day is a national campaign to promote awareness for how to fly right.
Our event features speed networking between students and drone professionals. We also have our drone soccer demonstration, drone simulator, so that they can fly different types of drones on different courses. We also have a drone obstacle challenge where they're flying a mini drone through actual obstacles. To conclude the day, we also have a drone demo that is going to be with more of our heavy lifter drones that enables us to create very detailed 3D models and also penetrate through tree canopies. So it's being used by fields like archaeology to see what may be covered by foliage. I think the best thing about Palomar College and our program is we have drones with different capabilities, different cameras, different sensors to get them interested in drones and also to show them what they can do with drones in different industries.
Having college programs to train people in the drone industries is vastly important because of workforce development. It's one of the fastest growing industries that are happening right now. Drones are integrated into every kind of discipline that there is. So if it's dirty, dangerous, or dull, a drone could probably do it for you.